è stato portato a Trapani dai nostri pescatori di corallo e di pesce che andavano a pescare nelle coste tunisine.
Okay. Quindi siamo già...
Però noi l'abbiamo fatto col pesce.
Infatti.
Col pesce lo facciamo solo noi.
Sì, questo gliel'avevo spiegato prima.
Sì.
So this type of couscous was brought in this region by fishermen and by coral fishers. In this area, in the past centuries, we had several coral fishers that went towards the Tunisian coast to fish coral, and they have learned those recipes of couscous making, but as they were also fishermen, obviously they didn't use meat or vegetables, they used fish, what they had in their boats with them. So this is an ancient tradition that has its roots in the 15th and 16th century. And the fish soup couscous is made just in this area.
Ecco. Adesso facciamo vedere come si condisce.
Now she's gonna show you how we season couscous. That's another
Questa è la couscousiera o pignata di couscous.
That's another special pot called couscousera. So the pot we use for cooking couscous. Può fare vedere che ci sono i fori sotto, così capiscono.
Sì. Adesso lo facciamo. Ecco, questa è la couscousiera.
Just look at it. There are some holes at the bottom.
Si mette l'acqua qui.
Because we put water here.
Perché cuoce a vapore.
Is a
per
steam
2 ore, 2 ore e mezza.
for 2 hours,
e
2 hours and a half.
E poi riposa coperto
And then it has to
almeno
rest
mezz'ora.
covered for about half hour, at least half hour.
Mette la cipolla.
We add onion. Fresh onion.
Pepe,
Some pepper.
abbondante pepe.
A lot of pepper. Bello saporito.
Viene bello saporito. Poi l'aglio,
Then some garlic
si pesta col sale.
with salt. You know, we have to crush it.
Make a paste of garlic.
We make a pesto.
Questo a Trapani, nelle case di Trapani non manca mai.
This tool is in every Trapanese house. You can have it in wood, in terracotta, in marble, in stone, but
l'aglio
everybody has it.
pestato.
Add this garlic pesto. Yeah, smell.
That's correct. It's absolutely correct.
Amore, porti l'olio per favore.
Arrivo.
Ah, qua sei tu. Ecco, quindi. No? Già si sente l'odore?
Yeah, we can smell. We can definitely smell.
Fantastic.
Perché nella cucina siciliana l'aglio e la cipolla non devono mancare.
In Sicilian cuisine, we always use garlic and onion.
Together? Insieme?
Sometimes together,
A volte separati, no?
A volte
sometimes
separati.
separate. We have extra virgin olive oil.
E l'olio? Abbondante, perfetto.
Look at the color of the olive oil, right? Like that gold green.
Vieni un attimo, ma
Questo è l'olio di qua, di queste olive,
andiamo a presentare Vito.
Very local.
Andiamo a sentire il loro volume.
Hand-picked olive.
Vito, vieni qua, vieni Gioia, vieni. Aspetta che ti presentiamo. Guys, I'm very, very proud, very happy to introduce you to Vito. He's one of the best chefs in Italy, and he owns a restaurant in Erice where we used to bring our best clients. In this case, we made an exception with a group of Canadians. Vito,
Ciao!
abbiamo questo piacere, finalmente siamo a casa tua.
Veramente, sicilianità allo stato puro, cioè il piacere di ospitare a casa propria, e questa è sicuramente la cosa che oggi ha fatto in modo che oggi sia proprio un giorno di festa.
So this is Vito's house, and he said he's very, very happy to host our group of Canadians, and this is a very unique experience.
Ciao!
Vito is going to prepare something special for them. The lady you saw before is Vito's mom, and the other lady is Vito's wife, Francesca.
Ciao!
Ciao Vito,
Ciao.
thank you
Ciao.
for hosting us. Grazie per averci ospitato.
Grazie a voi.
Look at these wonderful dishes, Gianca.
Yeah, I showed the dishes. They are amazing. And this is just the starter.
Io farei mangiare.
Questo è soltanto l'antipasto. This is just the starter. We have a four-course menu. The table is already set up. And we are in a special location.
Special location.
I
with
would
a
like to
beautiful
say
view.
something where we are now. Rosella, I would like to sit here. Sit with me in this chair. I try to switch, guys. Be patient. Sorry. So, I wanna say something. We had the opportunity to visit Erice with Azzurra, our local guide, this morning.
And of course,
We-
Erice is one of the must-see locations included in our Sicily Lovers Tour.
Yeah, that's of course. This is one of our must-see locations. In this case, we are touring with this beautiful group of Canadians. But as always, we recommend you to include Erice in your tour of Sicily. We are in the westernmost point of Sicily, just a few miles from Trapani, and this is the beautiful Monte Cofano behind us. That's that pyramid-shaped mountain is named Monte Cofano, Mount Cofano. The Zingaro Nature Reserve is just over there, with the beautiful Gulf of Castellammare. This is one of the most beautiful parts of Sicily, and it offers great wine, great olive oil. Vito will teach us in a few minutes how to learn how we make
To work the
extra
couscous.
virgin olive oil. In this
as
case,
well.
they are working the couscous. The lady, Vito's mom, is teaching them how she makes the couscous. Couscous is a very traditional Sicilian recipe from the Arabs brought this dish here in Sicily, and it's so popular in this area of Sicily.
And now,
Not in Palermo. We are not so good.
now we can wait to enjoy our lunch with
Yeah.
in this beautiful location. And if you want to enjoy something like this, please visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com, because the new edition of Sicily Lovers Tour is waiting for you next May, June.
I would like to remind them the dates. We are talking about 2023, first of all, because the 2022 edition is already sold out. So the next edition, next year, 2023, is from May 29th to June 10th.
Yeah.
It will be 13 days, amazing days in Sicily. It's a beautiful balance between heritage, culture, and a lot of food and wine experiences with locals like
Yeah.
this, like in this case. So we will include this experience for all the private tours of Sicily, because now we know that Vito has something special for you. Vito, the chef, the owner of this house, he owns a great restaurant in Erice, that if you want, you can be hosted at his house, just like we are doing today.
And now it's time. They are waiting for us to
They-
enjoy the lunch.
They are
Let's
starting
go.
the lunch.
So guys, we love you. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
See you the
Ciao,
next
dear
one,
Sicily
and don't
lovers.
forget to ask us to include this experience in your next private tour of Sicily, because
Ciao.
with Gianca and Rosella, nothing is impossible. Ciao.
Kelly on, the door's closed. Standing there. How old is Kelly?
Madam, vegetarian food?
Got off at the next
Just, you must wait, okay?
So when you get the food, wait, because he has to explain. He has to pair with olive oil, okay?
They can for you. Okay?
Ma Vito.